Something dangerous is unfolding in one of the world's most critical waterways, and tonight Washington is on edge that just hours ago. Tensions between the United States and Iran exploded again after a fresh military confrontation in the Strait of Hormuz. Reports indicate that Iranian fast attack boats aggressively approached a US allied commercial convoy moving through the region, triggering a rapid military response from American naval forces already stationed nearby. Pentagon officials are calling the situation serious but controlled. But behind closed doors, concerns are growing that this may be the closest the two nations have come to a direct escalation in months. The Strait of Hormuz is not just another patch of ocean, it's the artery through which a massive portion of the world's oil supply travels every single day. And when tensions flare there, the effects don't stay overseas for long. Gas prices, stocks market, shipping routes, and even groceries costs here in America could all feel the shock waves if the situation spirals further. What makes this moment even more alarming is the timing. The latest exchange come during a period of already rising instability across the Middle East, where military movements, political alliances, and economic pressure campaigns are colliding at once. According to early reports, warning shots may have been fired after Iranian vessels ignored repeated communications from coalition forces in this area. While no major casualties have officially been confirmed, the encounters had immediately reignited fears of retaliation and counter retaliation between Tehran and Washington. Analysts are warning that even a single miscalculation in the strait could rapidly escalate into a broader region conflict involving multiple countries. And unlike past incidents that faded quietly, this one appears to be triggering real strategic reaction from both sides. Additional naval assets are reportedly being repositioned while global energy traders are already responding with nervous market activity. The world has seen this pattern before, but each new confrontation raises the stake higher than the last back in Washington. Political pressure is building fast. Members of Congress from both parties are demanding briefing and defense officials as questions grow over Americans' next move. Some lawmakers are pursuing for a stronger military deterrent to prevent further Iranian actions, while others warn that aggressive escalations could drag the US into another prolonged Middle Eastern conflict at a time when Americans are already frustrated by economic uncertainty and at home. The White House has so far struck a careful tone, emphasizing the protection of international shipping lanes while avoiding language that could inflame tensions further. But behind the scenes, diplomatic channels are reportedly working overtime to prevent the crisis from expanding. The challenge for US leadership now is balancing strength with restraint, showing allies that America will defend strategic interests without igniting a larger war. That balancing act may become increasingly difficult if another confrontation occurs in the coming days. Meanwhile, the financial world is reacting exactly the way many feared. Oil prices surged almost immediately after news of the military exchange began spreading, and investors are now closely watching every update coming out of the region. Why does this matter to everyday Americans? Because instability in the Strait of Hormuz often translates into higher energy costs worldwide. If oil shipments become disrupted or insurance costs for commercial tankers rise sharply, the effects could trickle down into higher gas prices, more expensive transportations, and renewed inflation pressure here in the United States. And after years of economic strength, many Americans are already feeling stretched thin. Economists warn that even temporary instability in global energy markets can create ripple effects across the multiple industries, from airlines and trucking to food distribution and manufacturing. In other words, what happens thousands of miles away in the Persian Gulf could soon impact households' budgets across the country. International reactions are also intensifying tonight. Several US allies are urging calm while quietly preparing for the possibility of wider security crisis. European leaders are reportedly holding emergency consultations, and regional governments near the Gulf are increasing military readiness and amidst fears that further